Welcome to MECH 3D. In this lecture series, we are going to study different types of measuring instrument. There is a lot of measurement tools or instruments, but we are going to discuss only linear measurement tools. Linear measuring tools include ruler, meter stick, measuring tape, laser measure, block gauge, caliper, wheel measure, odometer, rangefinder, feeler gauge, paint thickness gauge, micrometer, altimeter and dial bore gauge. The ruler as shown in the figure, is the most used measuring tool in schools, offices, and homes. It is used to measure the length, and to draw straight lines. The ruler is marked, centimeters along the top, and inches along the bottom. It can measure objects up to 30 centimeters. Its precision is 1 millimeter, which means, the smallest reading we can take using a ruler is 1 millimeter. A meter stick or yardstick is either a straight edge or foldable ruler, used to measure the length, and is especially common in the construction industry. They are often made of wood or plastic, and often have metal or plastic joints, so that they can be folded together. Similar to the ruler, its precision is about 1 millimeter. It can measure up to 1 meter. The scale is available in metric and imperial as well. These two images give you the idea of a meter stick or yardstick. A tape measure is a portable compact flexible ruler that can be rolled up and pull out. This is an important tool to measure a length that is more than 1 meter and up to 100 feet. It consists of a ribbon of cloth, plastic, fiberglass, or metal strip with linear measurement markings. It is most commonly used by tailors. The label diagram of the measuring tape is as follows. Thanks for watching this video. We will continue this lecture in the next video. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe.